Dear friends, today also we bring some important information, announcements and updates from Indian stock market. Here are more than 20 stocks including NMDC, ABB, Railtel, Angel One, etc. Those have announced split dividend or bonus. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. Roni Households Limited. Share is trading around rupees 70. Roni Household announced bonus in the ratio 1:1. That means if you have 100 shares of Roni Households, you will get another 100 shares as bonus. So total you will have 200 shares. Record date for the bonus is fixed as 21st March 2025. Acme Fintrade India Limited AFIL share is trading around rupees 65. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. That means if you have 100 shares of Acme Fintrade, your 100 shares convert to 1000 shares. Record date for the stock split is fixed as 18th April 2025. Indian Railway Finance Corporation Limited IRFC share is trading around rupees 122. IRFC announced a dividend of 80 paise per share. 21st March is fixed as the record date for the dividend. NMDC Limited NMDC current market price rupees 67. NMDC announced a dividend of rupees 2.3 per share. 21st March is fixed as the record date for the dividend. Mercury Trade Links Limited current market price rupees 20. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. Ex date and record date for the stock split yet to be announced by Mercury Trade Links. Galaxy Surfactants Limited Galaxy Surf current market price rupees 2105. Galaxy Surfactants announced a dividend of rupees 18 per share. 20th March is fixed as the record date for the dividend. ABB India Limited ABB current market price rupees 5411. ABB announced a dividend of rupees 33.5 per share. 3rd May is fixed as the record date for the dividend. Vesuvius India Limited Vesuvius current market price rupees 4395. Vesuvius India announced a dividend of rupees 14.5 per share. Record date for the dividend is fixed as 1st May 2025. CIE Automotive India Limited CIE India current market price rupees 388. CIE Automotive announced a dividend of rupees 7 per share. 23rd April is fixed as the record date for the dividend. Greenlam Industries Limited Greenlam current market price rupees 536. Greenlam Industries announced bonus in the ratio 1:1. Record date for the bonus is fixed as 21st March 2025. Dhanlakshmi Roto Spinners Limited current market price rupees 235. Dhanlakshmi Roto Spinners also announced bonus in the ratio 1:1. Ex date and record date for the bonus yet to be announced by Dhanlakshmi Roto Spinners. Railtel Corporation of India Limited Railtel current market price rupees 283. Company announced a dividend of rupees 1 per share. Record date for the dividend is fixed as 2nd April 2025. Accelerate BS India Limited current market price rupees 129. Company announced a dividend of 80 paise per share. 21st March is fixed as the ex date and record date. SBC Export Limited SBC current market price rupees 13. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. That means if you have 1000 shares of SBC Export, your 1000 shares convert to 2000 shares. Ex date and record date for the stock split is fixed as 10th May 2025. Angel One Limited Angel One current market price rupees 2093. Angel One announced a dividend of rupees 11 per share. Ex date and record date is fixed as 20th March 2025. Last Mile Enterprises Limited current market price rupees 227. Last Mile Enterprises announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. Ex date and record date is fixed as 21st March 2025. Gamco Limited formerly known as Visco Trade Associates current market price rupees 90. Company announced bonus in the ratio 5:4. If you have 400 shares of Gamco Limited, you will get additional 500 shares as bonus. So total you will have 900 shares. Ex-date and record date for the bonus yet to be announced by Gamco Limited. Sanofi India Limited, Sanofi, current market price rupees 5,623. Sanofi India announced a dividend of rupees 55 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Sanofi India. Elendas Beck Limited, current market price rupees 9,701. Elendas Beck announced a dividend of rupees 7.5 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Elendas Beck. Blue Pearl Agri Ventures Limited, current market price rupees 184. Blue Pearl Agri Ventures announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. 20th March is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.